Hey guys, welcome to this week's video. Today I'm doing a full review and swatches on the new Kylie Cosmetics Weather Collection. Okay, now I did purchase this entire collection myself. It comes like this with all the goodies in there. So let's dig into these products and see what they look like. So first off, we have the lipsticks. See, she didn't really create any liquid lipsticks for this collection. So we have three different lipsticks. These are the traditional type of lipsticks. The first one over here is Nightfall. So I believe this is the darker black type of color lipstick. Something that I probably wouldn't wear, but I still think it's pretty cool. Okay, so this comes in a deep black, and the next shade is Cosmic. These are pretty cool, fun packaging. So it's in a nice nudish brown. And then the final shade is Nova, and that's what I have on my lips today. And that comes in also a brown, but it's not as dark as the Cosmic. Now I will do complete swatches of these lipsticks. I honestly don't like these formulas at all. I think they really wash you out. Even though right over here they look kind of really pigmented and creamy, when you apply them on your lips, if you have dry lips, forget it. They look awful. They look really bad. This is the black one. So it's quite pigmented. And then this is Cosmic right over here. Okay. So you can see it's kind of a darker type of brown. This was more of a nudish pink. So moving on to the next lip product, it also comes with a flash gloss. Now this one is something that really interested me. It's a nice pinkish gloss, and I put a little bit of that on my lips today over the lipstick. Honestly, I don't think I would be using this too much. The glitter in here is quite chunky, so if you're looking to create like a nice look, I wouldn't wear this all by itself. This is nice kind of over a lipstick, like a matte lipstick, kind of to give it a little bit of a gloss. The collection comes with two different palettes. The first one is Calm Before the Storm. And it also comes with a darker type of palette, Eye of the Storm. Now, I used this palette on my eyes today. I used the green in here. Now, all of the collection have the weather type of storm theme. And this is the darker palette right over here, Eye of the Storm. And I used this green shade right over here on my eyelids today. And I also used a little bit of that blue, a little bit of the yellow as well, kind of mixing it in with the green. And to be honest, these shades actually really do blend very well. So the next palette is Calm Before the Storm. Again, this kind of looks like little water droplets on there. And this just reminds me of Easter. The colors in there are just very bright in comparison to the other palette, which is completely more of a darker look. But I see what kind of theme they're going with, you know, the darker kind of shades and then the lighter shades. That's more of like the calm of the storm. Next we have a highlighter palette. I hate this palette. I think it's horrible. Highlighter wise, I have much better highlighters than these. The palette itself is kind of cute. You have these clouds over here, but these glitters are so chunky. I wasn't too impressed with this palette whatsoever. Next are these Glitter Eyes eyeshadow liquids. I don't feel like these are glitters, to be honest. They're more of like metallic shadows. These are pretty cool. I can't wait to make a couple of looks with these ones. Now this is the first kind of set. They come in two. This one is more of like a blue. Let's see if I can find an area. This is more of... Now this is the blue shade right there. This is more of a brown. And then we have the next set over here, which is a little bit more of a cooler tones. This shade is in Superstar. We'll put them right here. They glide on quite nicely. And this shade is Twinkle Twinkle. Probably out of the two, my favorite would have to be this blue one right over here. I'm very interested in that. And I actually really like Twinkle Twinkle. That one looks like a really nice shade. They do dry off matte, so I'm pretty excited to use these. Now the next product in this collection is a gel liner, and it's yellow. It's quite interesting. It's just a fun type of gel liner, and it looks like it's just the normal Kylie type of formula that she uses for her gel liners. Right, this collection also comes with a loose powder highlighter. Into this, it's like this. Let's apply some of this on. Just remove the little sticker that's in here. Okay. You can apply this as a highlighter as well. The glitter isn't very chunky, it's kind of very finely milled. Let me grab my brush here. Too much. Okay, I really like this. Okay, I like this way better than the actual highlighter palette. Okay, I made a mess here, so let me just pack everything up and give you guys my final thoughts.
A few moments later.
Alright, so I'll be honest, this isn't my favorite collection from Kylie. I do generally like Kylie's collections, but with this one, it didn't really speak out to me. I do like the theme of it. I like the packaging. They're very cute. I like the fact that it was all surrounded around the weather. But to be honest, the products themselves, the colors, the wearability of them, I don't feel like it's something that I will be using every day or I will kind of reach out to. The lipsticks are horrible. I do not like the lipsticks at all. I feel like they are patchy. The colors don't really scream out to me. Do you need this collection? Absolutely not. I honestly feel like you can totally completely skip this collection, but if you do want to choose one product, I would probably go with the glitter eyes. Either one of these, they're pretty cool, but then again, Stila does have really good glitter kind of eyeshadows that I think are way better than these. For the eyeshadow palettes, I actually do think that they do blend very well. I really enjoy doing this eye look today. I think it's very edgy and cute. The pastels are quite interesting. I'll be really interested to know how they look, so I may create another look using that palette as well. Overall, this collection is okay-ish. I don't think that you need to go out of your way to go ahead and get it. If you want to choose one or two products, they are quite cute. It is a really nice packaging type of collection surrounding the weather. But other than that, the lipsticks, I absolutely think you don't need them. I didn't like them whatsoever. The eyeshadow palettes are okay. The highlighter palette, absolutely not. Do not even waste your money on that. But other than that, it was an okay collection. I hope Kylie comes out with an even nicer collection moving forward. And that is my review on the Kylie Cosmetics Weather Collection. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. Make sure to come back next week for a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next week. I do generally like Kylie's connections. What the heck?